Let's explore function parameters in Go, focusing on the distinction between pass-by-value and pass-by-reference, and how Go handles parameter passing. By default, Go passes arguments by value. This means that when you pass a variable to a function, the function receives a copy of the original data. Any modifications made to the parameter inside the function do not affect the original variable outside the function. Consider this example. We define a function called increment that takes an integer x as a parameter. Inside the function, we increment x by 1 and print its value. In the main function, we declare a variable num initialized to 5, call the increment function with num as an argument, and then print the value of num again. The output will show that inside the increment function, x becomes 6, but outside, num remains 5. This illustrates that increment function received a copy of num, so the original num variable is unchanged. To achieve pass-by-reference behavior in Go, we use pointers. Declare pointer parameters using the asterisk symbol. Pass the memory address of a variable using the ampersand symbol. Here's how it works. In the increment function, the parameter x is now a pointer to an integer. Inside the function, asterisk x refers to the value stored at the memory address pointed to by x. In the main function, you call the increment function with and asterisk num, which passes the memory address of num. Now, when increment modifies asterisk x, it directly changes the value of num. Consequently, the output shows that num is indeed incremented to 6. Slices in Go exhibit reference type behavior. When you pass a slice to a function, the function receives a copy of the slice header, which points to the underlying array. Therefore, modifications made to the elements of the slice within the function will affect the original slice. Here's an example. The modify slice function takes a slice of integers as input and changes the value of the first element to 100. In the main function, we create a slice nums with initial values 1, 2, and 3. After calling modify slice, the nums slice is modified, and the output shows the updated slice as 100, 2, and 3. Maps and channels are reference types in Go, much like slices. This means when you pass a map or channel to a function, you're passing a reference to the original data structure. Consequently, any modifications made to the map or channel within the function will directly affect the original map or channel. Maps and channels are always passed by reference. Pass by value is suitable for small data types, when no modification to the original data is needed and when thread safety is a concern. Pass by pointer is beneficial when dealing with large data structures, when you need to modify the original data, and when memory efficiency is critical. Here are the key takeaways. First, Go passes arguments by value by default. Second, use the asterisk and ampersand symbols for pointer-based modification. Third, slices, maps, and channels are reference types. And fourth, choose between pass by value and pass by pointer based on performance and mutability needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.